What's up, guys? We are the Chain Lift. He's Mark. I'm Adam. We're back with another coaster countdown.
That's right.
In these videos, we pick a park. We count down the coasters from our least favorite to our favorite. We each have our own list. We don't know what each other's going to pick.
I have a good idea on this one, though.
Yeah, we might have similar lists on this one.
Or if not the same one.
Yeah, or exactly the same, but we don't know. It'll be a surprise for everybody. But today, our countdown is taking us to Kentucky Kingdom.
They have great chicken.
They have great chicken.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
We did. Are you talking about Kentucky Fried Chicken?
Well, yeah.
On our last trip through Kentucky, we stopped at the original KFC, the first one.
I can't remember what the city was called.
I can't remember either, but we stopped there.
We did eat there. We had chicken there. I ate chicken in Colonel Sanders' dining room or kitchen area, whatever that place was. Yeah.
It was like a little museum.
Yeah, it was. It was pretty nice.
It's pretty nice. It was okay.
Kentucky Kingdom.
Yeah, Louisville, Kentucky. That's where it's located.
There's 6 coasters there.
Yeah.
Wide range.
Yeah, there is a wide range.
RMC, you got a Den, you got a Gravity Group,
You got a Chance.
a Vacoma, a Chance.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so you got a little bit of everything. So, yeah. 6
whatever
coasters.
roller skater is.
Yeah, I don't know.
Awesome. Awesome.
All right. Do you want me to start first, or would you like to start first?
I'll start first.
Okay, go ahead.
It's no surprise here. It's T3.
At number 6.
Number 6 is T3. It is terrible. I thought going in that because they have the kind of the updated like vests or restraints.
Yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Like it's like the little push button thing or whatever.
Uh-huh. I was expecting it to be better. It did have a push button thing.
Yeah, I was like,
yeah. Uh-huh.
It sucks. It's all red for whatever reason.
It's very red. The supports, the track, everything is red.
It's terrible to the third power.
My least favorite coaster at Kentucky Kingdom is also T3. Not only do I think it's the worst coaster at Kentucky Kingdom, it's one of the worst roller coasters that I've ever been on in my entire life.
You are one
and it's a clone of dozens of other SLC inverts around the world.
It's a spin and looping coaster for the layman's.
Yes. But this one's extra bad mainly because of the restraints. I was expecting it to be better, but I don't know why, but they like crushed my collarbone. It's terrible. And I even think Kentucky Kingdom knows that they're part
of it. They make fun of it on their Twitter.
Yeah, they know T3 is not good, and they know people don't like it. And I do think it's a matter of time before it's gone. It's just, all about, what they, can afford to do with it. So for now it's there, but I expect eventually it's going to be gone.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right. I'm going to be skating into number 5.
Oh, okay.
With roller skater.
Uh-huh.
And there ain't much to say. You ride in roller skates.
Yeah, we did a coaster spotlight.
Let's go watch coaster spotlight. We actually literally wasted 6 minutes of our life
talking about roller skater.
Yeah,
number 5 is also roller skater. I'd much rather ride roller skater than T3, even though it's made for children. But how often can you say that you rode in a giant roller skate? And it's pretty fun. Yeah. It's a good family coaster.
It is.
Enjoyed myself on it.
That's it. Roller skaters, number 5. Yeah. Number 4 for me is Thunder Run.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'll be, it was made by Den. Mm-hmm. It was before the Hurlers.
Yeah.
Very inspired. Hurlers were very inspired.
By Thunder Run, yeah.
Yes. Going in, I expected it to be crappy.
Uh-huh.
I expected a piece of crap.
Yeah, me too.
And, to my surprise, I actually didn't think it was that bad.
Yeah, I agree.
It was pretty smooth. I thought it was, for what it is, I mean...
Yeah.
So I think, I don't know, I guess that's what I could say about it. It was better than I thought.
Yeah, well, no surprise, my number 4 is also Thunder Run. And a lot of the same things that you have, a lot of the same feelings. Going to the park, I didn't expect it to be anything special. And it was a lot more fun than I was expecting.
And maybe that's why we actually had some fun on it.
Yeah, with low expectations.
I just expected, just a terribly bumpy ride.
Yeah, coaster. But actually, it was fairly smooth. It was fun. It had some really fun moments on the coaster.
The layout has some pretty so it doesn't make it so bad. I mean...
Yeah. You get some nice...
pretty decent, good helixes.
Yeah, and you get a little bit of airtime, some of those little hills. And I think definitely, anytime I would go to Kentucky Kingdom, I would definitely ride it.
I'd hop on it if it wasn't much of a wait.
Mm-hmm.
So...
Yeah, there's definitely worse coasters out there.
Nothing memorable, but not that bad.
Yeah.
Thunder Run.
It's a good way to describe it.
Put that in your tagline. All right.
Could be worse. That should be the tagline.
Could be worse.
Uh-huh.
Number 3 is for me, right?
Yeah.
Kentucky Flyer.
New in 2019.
New in 2019. It's good.
Yeah.
I tell you what, it is good. And I mean, I haven't totally thought about it, but I'm pretty sure it might be my favorite family coaster I've ever been. Like,
yes.
Like legit family coaster.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gravity Group outdid themselves with this. I mean, I think you go like 35 miles per hour, 34 miles per hour.
Yeah.
It feels like you're going way faster. You're hauling. Has some really nice airtime moments.
Oh, it does. Really great airtime.
I thoroughly enjoyed that ride.
Yeah, me too. Number 3 for me is also Kentucky Flyer. And yeah, as far as family coasters go, this is top of the list for me.
Yeah, it's good.
Like you said, it's not fast, but it feels fast. Like the way, and I think Gravity Group is good at that.
GCI, they're both.
GCI, they're good at it too. Yeah. They're good at, even though coaster, the stats wise, it's not fast, but when you're on it, it's really thrilling. It feels faster than it actually is. This Kentucky Flyer is great airtime. There's no dull moments in the ride at all. I mean, it's a short ride, but every moment of the coaster is something exciting or fun happens. So it's really good.
And that, friends, is called great coaster designing.
It is great coaster designing.
You can make a design that doesn't require you to go 100 miles per hour, but it feels like you.
And it was a great addition for their park too, because that was a hole in their lineup of coasters that are missing. I mean, they have Roller Skater, which is a family coaster, but that's more of like little kids.
Yeah.
Not Thunder Run. Kentucky Flyer is a good middle of the road coaster for older kids, but who aren't quite ready for T3.
I can think of a little park in Sandusky that could use a coaster like this.
Oh yeah,
they don't have one in their lineup.
Cedar Point.
I got young kids. This would be
It'd be great
for them.
Yeah,
they need like a 42-inch ride like this. That's it's still very thrilling, but it's not like intimidating for those.
I think that'd be great.
7 to 10 range.
That'd be great.
So 6 to 10 range.
I think any park would be wise to invest in one of these types of coasters.
Absolutely.
So there's 2 coasters left. When the top 2, so far our lists are exactly the same as we thought.
Tell you what, my number 2 are very close. Like
1 and 2. Yes, it's very close.
Very close. My number 2, though, I went with Lightning Run.
Okay.
It is. We did a review on this. I've said it many times. For the bang for your buck.
Yeah.
I do not know how there is not more of these coasters.
I know.
Somewhere else.
I don't get it either because they're called Hyper
GTX models.
Yes.
It might be like off the top of my brain, like the coaster that
like surprised you the most.
Yeah, like for what it is like that good.
Yeah. It's
like
not
unassuming.
Yes,
unassuming.
Very it's not tall. It's not overly fast. I mean, it's not like overly intimidating looking from the midway.
And it's not by let's be honest, it's not by like a major company. It's not by like your B&M's or Itunes. But man, oh man, is that coaster good?
Yeah.
Holy crap!
When we went to Kentucky Kingdom for the first time, we had heard really good things about it, but it was it obviously lived up to the hype of what we heard, but it exceeded it for me even. Like, I couldn't believe how good it was.
It's a diamond in the rough.
It is.
That's Aladdin.
It is Aladdin. Nice one. Okay.
Get down to Kentucky Kingdom. Well, it's a fun park anyway, but
yes.
I'm telling you, if you've ever been on Lightning Run, you are in for a treat.
Number 2 for me is actually Storm Chaser. So we are going to have different lists. Number 2 is Storm Chaser.
Okay.
Yeah. Still excellent. Like you're saying, my 1 and 2 are very interchangeable. They're both excellent. Storm Chaser, though, going into Kentucky Kingdom, I had heard it was one of the worst RMC coasters. I mean, all RMC coasters are really fun.
One of the weakest.
It was one of the weakest, yeah. But I disagree with that. It's not. It's one of my, higher up on the list for me. RMCs. It's excellent. Really good airtime. It's well paced. It's a shorter RMC coaster, but every inch of the track is well used.
There's no wasted movement on that one, folks.
No wasted space.
And you get a stellar view of that Dr. Pepper.
The factory across the street. Yeah, there you get a good views of that. It's not the prettiest looking coaster surroundings wise, but it doesn't matter. The ride's great.
Yeah, you know who loves Dr. Pepper?
This guy,
Forrest Gump.
I must have drank me about 15 Dr. Peppers.
My number 1 is Storm Chaser.
Yeah.
All the same thing he said, like we kind of went to Kentucky Kingdom. Like I was expecting probably like the bottom tier RMC.
Yeah.
That's not what I got. It's not my favorite RMC, but it's definitely not like towards the bottom. It's really good. Like, it's not super long, but there's so much good airtime moments on it. The inversions, there's two inversions on this thing.
Yeah.
This is the main drop, and then there's like that little corkscrew, I think.
Yeah.
They're perfectly laid out, spaced out. I love the little like almost like wave turns in the corner where they kind of like are next to each other.
Yeah. Don't they count one of those as an inversion?
They may count. They may count one of those. Maybe there's 3, but it's like
yeah, slightly inverted. Yeah.
But yeah, even like the end, you kind of like when you go over like where you walk in, it has that nice little like bunny hop hill over like
yeah.
Yeah, it's good. We have a full review on it where we go more in depth.
Yes, we do. Check that out.
Yeah, I don't need to. Yeah, Storm Chaser. It is excellent.
Yes.
They have a excellent 1-2 punch there.
Excellent. Yeah, really good. Really solid.
Yep.
My number 1 is Lightning Run. We also did a coaster spotlight on Lightning Run, so you can get more in-depth look at our thoughts on both of these coasters. But like you were saying before, Lightning Run is very unassuming, but when you ride it, it's excellent. It's really fun. It's a unique layout to me too. Like I don't know. I guess I can't compare it to any other coaster when I think about it.
The trains are ugly.
Trains are a little ugly, but it's really fun, super fun, and like
That's one negative thing about it.
Yeah, it is a cheap coaster model to build.
I think it was like 7.5 million or something like that.
And it's mind-boggling that there's not more of them.
I know.
In North America. They're excellent. I don't know. This ride is excellent.
You can get a 8 to 9 rating coaster for $7.5 million. I mean, you can get it with GCI too, would be great. But like, I just like for a steel coaster though.
Yeah, I don't know why smaller parks like Dorney or Worlds of Fun or Michigan's Adventure even.
Yeah.
Get one of these coasters. They're really fun. They're small footprint. And when we rode it, I can't remember what year it opened, but
when the park opened, they built it in 2014 was when the park reopened. I think
that sounds about right. And
I think it was 2014.
I think we rode it in 2017 or 2018.
2017.
Yeah.
If I'm wrong, don't yell at me either.
Yeah.
About the 2014.
We're close.
It's 2013 or 2014.
Yeah, but when we rode it, it was still smooth as butter. Like there's no vibrating on it, no roughness. It was smooth.
And they used
comfortable seats.
And they used the original entrance. Was it Grease Lightning?
Yeah,
which was
for Grease Lightning.
The
shuttle loop coaster. Yeah.
Same colors too, I think.
Yeah, similar colors, blue and green. Yeah.
Yep. So nice homage.
Great. Yeah, like you said, great 1-2 punch. I would say even a great 1-2-3 punch with Kentucky Flyer.
Sure.
They all give you a little something different, and they're all really fun. Definitely recommend going to Kentucky Kingdom. Great park.
And this goes to show you don't need a 200-something foot coaster in your top 2 to make a great 1-2 punch.
Yeah,
because
it's really good.
They are excellent.
Yes, they are.
So, all right, that's it.
That's it. Let us know your thoughts about Kentucky Kingdom. If you want to give us your list of your countdown of the coasters at Kentucky Kingdom, leave them in the comments section below. Find us on Twitter and Instagram at The Chain Lift. You can find our podcast on iTunes and Spreaker.com. It's called Chain Lift Podcasts. Yeah, I don't know how we came up with that name, but we did. We also have some shirts for sale and other fun stuff in our store. And thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already.
That's it.
That's it.
Terrible to the third power.
Ow, see ya.
Congratulations. How do you feel?
I got it. Hey.
I believe you said you had to go pee.